Lesson 2, Slide 1. Congratulations on completing Lesson 1. We hope you have learned about Areca leaf sheath and how products are made from them are a good alternate to plastic plates and bowls. Let us move on to Lesson 2. Slide 2. In this lesson, we will learn how to form the plates and bowls from the Areca leaf sheaths. We will take you through a step-by-step process with pictures and videos. Slide 3. Step 1. In the production process is the collection of sheaths at the Areca farm. As we mentioned before, the Areca trees shed their leaf sheaths naturally. On an average, 5 to 6 leaves fall from a single tree over a period of year, except rainy season. These sheaths are found fallen on the ground. The clean leaf sheaths are collected after cutting off the frond. Only thick or medium thick leaves can be used. Thin leaves are not suitable. First quality leaf sheaths, called Grade A, are usually of size 10 by 24 inches and do not have blemishes. Second quality sheaths, called Grade B, are smaller, around 9 by 20 inches and may also have blemishes. Black or brown spots on the sheaths indicate fungal contamination. Since the availability of sheaths is seasonal and in large quantities, they are collected in bulk and stored so that they can be converted to products at other times of the year. Slide 4. You can see how Grade A and Grade B leaf sheaths look. The Grade A sheaths produce best quality plates and bowls and fetch a higher price compared to products made from Grade B leaf sheaths. Slide 5. If the production unit is in the farm, the sheaths are just stored there for conversion to plates and bowls. However, there are production units which are not in the Areca farm and run by outsiders. These people purchase the leaf sheaths and get them transported. The leaf sheaths are transported after rejecting the bad ones. Only Grade A and Grade B are transported. When the sheaths are received at the production unit, if they are damp, they should be sun-dried before storing. Sheaths should be stored in a clean and dry place, protected from sun and rain, else they will rot and spoil. The production units should have the storage facility. Slide 6. Step 2 happens at the production unit and involves soaking, drying and cleaning of sheaths. The soaking makes the sheaths flexible. The sheaths are dipped in water for 20 to 30 minutes and then drip dried by hanging. They are then cleaned well with a brush to remove sand, dirt, and other contamination. If the sheaths are wet after cleaning, they are sun-dried but not completely, retaining little, about 5% moisture. Slide 7. Step 3 involves forming the products. There are two types of machines that are used for making plates and bowls: the manual machine and hydraulic machine. The latter accommodates different mold sizes and is faster process. Both have dies. In the manual machine, a handle has to be rotated manually to form the product. Slide 8. In both machines, the principle is the same. Hot pressing molds the sheath to desired structure. It also changes the structure of the sheath particles and ensures that they retain their fixed shape after pressing. Slide 9. In the manual machine, a stove is placed below the mold and lit up. Stoves using different kinds of fuel like LPG, kerosene, or biogas can be used for heating. The mold gets heated in about 5 minutes. A clean and dry leaf sheath is selected and one end of the leaf is placed on the hot mold. The wheel is turned so that it presses down on the Areca leaf on the mold to form the product. The mold must be pressed on the leaf for about 30 seconds. 2 to 3 products, depending on size, can be produced using one leaf sheath. The remaining leaf waste is a waste and is used in vermicomposting. Slide 10. The sheath is pressed by turning the wheel. The mold must be pressed on the leaf for about 30 seconds. The excess parts of the leaf are removed from the sides of the mold. You will see that one sheath, more than one item can be made depending on the mold size and leaf size. The waste, after using the sheath completely, can be composted. Slide 11. To remove the formed plate or bowl, the wheel is turned upwards or rotated in opposite direction. Please be careful while removing the plate as the mold is very hot at this stage. Slide 12. In the hydraulic machine, the machine is cleaned and the correct die is fitted depending on desired design and quantity of plates. Both top and bottom heating coils are switched on and molds are heated to 60 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius in 15 to 20 minutes. Then the cleaned Areca sheets are placed in the hydraulic press and the mold is pressed down to form the plates. Slide 13. The pressing of molds happens here by using the up and down foot pedals. This way, the sheath is pressed to the shape of the die. Slide 14. You can see here how the foot pedal is lifted to release the mold and remove the plate. Slide 15. Once the plates are formed in either manual or hydraulic machine, they are cooled to room temperature by leaving them in an open area. After cooling, the edges of the plates are trimmed if required. Usually, this may not be required in hydraulic machine. The plates are now ready for packing, about which we will learn in the next lesson. Slide 16. You can now watch a video covering the entire production process. Slide 17. We hope this lesson taught you how to produce Areca leaf sheath plates and bowls. Please take this assessment to check. Slide 18. We hope you have now understood how the Areca leaf sheath products are made and how easy it is to do them.